In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add themes to Notion step by step. If you're someone who spends a lot of time inside Notion for notes, tasks, projects, or personal organization, changing the theme can make a huge difference in comfort and focus, especially during long work sessions. We'll go through the official way to change themes inside Notion, and I'll also briefly mention an optional, unofficial option if you want more customization. This tutorial works for beginners and experienced users alike. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Notion dashboard. This is the main home screen where you can see all of your pages, databases, and recent work. From here, everything we need is just a couple of clicks away. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar on your Notion dashboard. Scroll down slightly if needed, and click on Settings. This will open up the main settings panel for your Notion account. These settings control things like your account preferences, language, notifications, and of course, appearance options. Once you're inside the settings menu, find and click on Appearance. This section is where Notion allows you to customize how the app looks. When you click on Appearance, you'll see the available theme options provided by Notion. Right now, Notion officially supports two main themes, Light Mode and Dark Mode. To change your theme, simply click on Dark if you want a darker interface, which is great for working at night or reducing eye strain. If you prefer a brighter look, you can switch back to Light Mode at any time by clicking Light. As soon as you click your preferred option, the theme will apply instantly across your entire Notion workspace. There's no Save button required, so you can quickly switch back and forth to see which one feels better for you. It's important to note that at the moment, Notion only officially provides these two themes. However, if you're someone who wants more customization, like custom colors or different styles, there are unofficial third-party solutions available. One example is a site called notionthemes.udax.me, which offers custom themes using browser extensions or custom CSS. Just keep in mind that unofficial tools are not supported by Notion, so always be cautious and make sure you trust the source before using them. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add and change themes in Notion using the built-in appearance settings. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and enjoyable Notion feels during daily use. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.